So I think that giving access to more people to program is a good thing. And there are some people who are deliberately not using AI. The tools that programmers inhibit on the society at large for people that are not programmers are significantly worse. So I still think that async await is the wrong trade-off, and we should not have made it. Like the basic of computer science, they're still the same, because just because Claude writes your code doesn't mean you can't turn off your brain. People that have the freedom and time and the urge to try it have a much better understanding of some of our best programmers in the industry because they opted against it. They said every day someone wakes up in the morning and becomes a programmer for the first time. A lot of these people that are now starting agentic programming or vibe coding or whatever you want to call this, they don't find the best programmers as mentors because they themselves say, no, that's not for me, right? And that's bad. We are a little bit in this problematic situation that the people that I trust the most about writing educational content are also the ones that are not giving it a try.